Good morning, everybody. Just try to get my camera here. Perfect. So today I'm presenting the people section, which Peter Manos, Mike Guilfoyle, and I wrote. The people section specifically looks at how people are at the heart of the changes going on when under the energy transition, and also altering the ways people work, and obviously changing the traditional processes as the energy transition develops. We looked at the people at the heart and the realignment towards sustainability. We researched how regulations will impact organizations, but also how they will impact individual responsibilities. We engage with organizations who are in the midst of their sustainability journeys to better understand the workforce changes that they underwent and are currently undergoing. Through our research, we uncovered highly sought out transferable skills that professionals are equipped with and included how they could be applied to the new sustainability roles. Today, some learning objectives. We're going to be reviewing skills, competencies, and knowledge that is required to fulfill the talent gaps as organizations align themselves with sustainability and regulations compliance, and how many of the future sustainability professionals and leaders already exist within your organization. And the key to fostering their growth is through mentorship and knowledge sharing exercises.